Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss information technology. Information technology IT means creating, managing, storing and exchanging the information, such as computer hardware and software technology used for creating, storing and transferring information. What is data? Data refers to the facts or raw materials which are processed to get information. For example, number of boys and girls in the class is data. Sum of conclusion based on data is information. IT is a tightly integrated part of business. In accounting, customer handling, and we are using the IT in cost management, efficiency of the workers, and business profit and services. Information technology enables services. It is also called web-enabled services or remote services. Information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of service is information technology enabled services, ITEs. These services provide a wide range of career options that include opportunity in all offices like call centers, payrolls, medical billing, coding, legal databases, back office operations, content development, geographical information system, web services and human resource services, etc. BPO services, business process outsourcing. What is this BPO? BPO performing the business operation through an outside services. The BPO industry is highly organized and hence various kinds of jobs are outsourced in India. India has the expertise in reducing the cost with firm control on quality of the service. Example: taxation and insurance services, multimedia and design services, document management services, healthcare services. BPM industry in India. The IT BPM, business process management industry, has been fueling India's growth. In addition to contributing towards the country's gross domestic product (GDP) and exports, the growth of IT BPM industry has provided India with a wide range of economic and social benefits, which includes creating employment, raising income, and promoting exports. It has placed India on the world map with an image of the technologically advanced and knowledge-based economy. What are the advantages of BPO services? BPO service industry is doing exceptionally well in India because of the following advantage. First one, BPO service providers in India invest in high-tech hardware and software to deliver the best of services. They follow quality checks to ensure error-free and exceptional service. Second point is, Government of India is encouraging the BPO industry in India by providing necessary infrastructure and logistical support. BPO industry in India is highly developed and capable of delivering the numerous type of BPO services in exceptional quality. Structure of the IT BPM industry. The organization within the IT BPM industry are categorized along the following parameters. Sector, the first one, sector the organization is serving. Second one, type as well as range of offering the organization provides. Third, geographic spread of operations. Fourth, revenue and size of operation. Multinational companies, MNCs. MNCs have their headquarters outside India but operate in multiple locations worldwide, including those in India. They cater to external clients, both domestic and global. Indian service provider, ISPs. ISPs started with their operation in India. Most of these organizations have their headquarters in India while having offices in many international locations. C. Global In-House Centers, GIC. GIC organization cater to the needs of their parent company only, and do not serve external clients. Thank you.